Hello boom and crash traders, welcome back to our channel. This is FX Ninja. I'm so excited right now to share with you this very classic amazing system. This is the version 2 of the meta spike detector, but this is not a spike detector. This is what you can use to buy crash and sell boom. After releasing the first video of our meta spike detector, which you can see the link in the description of this video, a lot of traders contacted us that they are interested in how to buy crash and sell boom, which is why we have developed another system that you can use using the same template. So if you look at this, what you have before you very well, you will notice that this is not a spike detector, rather it is what you can use to sell boom and what buy crash over here. Okay, now let me walk you through how you can use this. If you want to use the system, make sure you are using it on the 5-minute time frame or on a 15-minute time frame. I don't recommend you using the system on a 1-minute time frame, okay? Because what you want to do here is we want to make good money. Now, how do we use this? Now, remember initially in our first video we said that whenever you see this blue portion, just know that this is the meta trend. Just know that the market is selling, and when you see this orange section, you know that the market is buying. So if you can see very clearly here, we have this is boom 1000 and we want to only sell boom. So once you have this yellow arrow appear, like you can see over here, just know that it's time for you to sell boom. And you don't just sell boom, you want to make sure that this meta trend has changed to blue. Okay, so if you notice after the arrow appeared, you can see we already have a blue trend already, so you can sell down. Now, one of the things you are going to be doing here is, if this is your entry over here, let me change this to white. If this is your entry over here, you want to make sure you are trading like a professional, and you want to make sure that your stop loss is around here. Okay, your stop loss is around the last swing high or swing low, as the case may be. Your stop loss will be here. So the next thing you are going to do, or your stop loss can be basically be behind the this arrow. Your stop loss can be behind this arrow, just a few pips behind the arrow. It's okay, it's all right. So what you just want to do now is that you want to look at the distance between your entry and the last swing high or swing low. Okay, you want to look at the distance. You want to target like 3 of that, and that will be your take profit. You want to target like 3 of these, 2 or 3 of these. That will be your take profit. So that is how to trade with this system, guys. So your stop loss can be here, but make sure you are targeting a very good risk to reward ratio, okay, so that you make a lot of money in case you have a loss. So you can see the signal over here too. Once the signal appear, you wait for this to change, then you can take it, then put your stop loss. For this case, you can put your stop loss behind this arrow. All right, behind this arrow, and this will be your entry. You can see how price sold down. Okay, now let me quickly walk you through again. Now there is one thing I discovered about the system. Let's see it on, this is crash 1000. You can see it over here. Okay, this is 15-minute time frame. Let's change this to 5-minute time frame. You can see it on 5-minute time frame here. Okay, immediately it appears, this changes, and you can see you can buy up. You can put your stop loss just behind this arrow. Okay, the same thing with this also. You can put your stop loss behind this very arrow. Okay, this signal, you can see how price buy massively. You can see another signal over here to buy crash 1000. You can see how price is moving very well. Now let's look at crash 500. Look at crash 500. Look at how crash has been buying. Man, look at how crash has been buying. Okay, so you just make sure when this arrow appears, you want to make sure you put your stop loss behind the arrow. Look at the current signal currently ongoing. Look at this. You will have bought a lot of this. You can target this area for your take profit. So you can see how accurate this arrow is, how accurate this very system is. Look at it over here. buying crash 600 over here, and you can see how very, so you ignore all these buy arrows over here. You have to ignore them. This also gave us some profit over here. You have to ignore them because they are appearing when the market is trending down. So this is how you use this amazing, powerful system. You can see now another thing I discover is this. Whenever it is on the 15-minute time frame, let's change to 5-minute time frame. Okay, look at it on 5-minute time frame. All right, from here you can see how price trend down. Wow, massive. Over here, this sell signal, you are not going to take them because why? Price is still bullish here. Okay, now look at this over here. This very one, this will have resulted into a loss. Okay, this will have resulted into a loss. This will have also resulted into a loss. So what you want to do is, when you see the market being choppy like this, you want to make sure you avoid. You can see the market from here. The market is ranging all the way from here. Okay, you can see it over here. But over here, these two signals failed, this one and this very one. Okay, but this gave us a nice profit. Okay, so this is how you want to be trading, guys. So make sure you subscribe to our Telegram channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel also, so that you can get more updates about this system, because we are going to be giving much more updates. You can see how price sold down massively here. So we are still going to be doing more video about this system so that you can understand better. Another discovery I made about this system is that whenever you have the arrow appearing inside this this cloud, inside this channel, you will notice that the market always trend. If the arrow is appearing, or the body of the arrow is appearing inside this, it is 100% signal. Let me show you more and more about that. You will notice. Okay, you notice. Let's check. Okay, all right, let's see. All right, you can see. All right, whenever you have it appearing inside, just like what you have here inside this cloud, just know you are in for a nice, very nice ride. Look at this over here. You are in for a very nice ride. Okay, look at crash 500 over here, still buying massively. This indicator is very powerful. It is very powerful. It's not something you are supposed to miss. Okay, so if you are interested, just make sure you go to the description of this video right now. You will see how you can get this very amazing, powerful system there. So thank you once again for watching our video. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel so that you keep getting updates about the powerful indicators we have. And note that you can also use this system on the forex market. You can also use it on the forex market. So try and get this system for yourself and make sure you are profitable trading the boom and crash market. Thank you for watching our videos. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel, and bye for now.